I came to know from my friend. She called me for a demo to see the Thermomix 3300 that time. So I went and saw. First time after seeing it, I was really fascinated and immediately signed up to buy and became an advisor also same day. I have 4 generations of the machine. One is TM3300, one is TM31, the other one is TM5, and the last one I bought is TM6. I cook everything, all kind of food, mostly Indian food. Then I cook Chinese food because my children like Chinese food. Then I cook Thai food for a change. I cook all kinds of food. I love Thermomix because cooking in that is very fast and very simple, and everything, no need for me to wait there. I can do other work. So it does everything and most healthy. It gives us healthy food. I recommend everyone should have a Thermomix. If you want healthy food, you go for it. That is why this is a really very good machine. It can cook fast, your time is saving, fast cooking, and it gives you the product healthier food. So each one should have a Thermomix at home.